Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a OPPO A17. First of all, open your Google application, this one, and this. Next up, in the top right corner, we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. In this menu, go into Google Assistant. And now, from the list, choose Hey Google and Video Match option. And now need to activate this option, Hey Google, by tapping on the switcher. And need to set up our Hey Google option. You'll give access to your assistant, tap Next. And here, tap I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Tap Continue. And not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.